Hey guys, this video is all about looking fresh and feeling your best. And today, we're going to answer a question every guy has asked. How do I shave my face for the first time? This will be answered in 3 easy and simple steps for you to follow. Step 1. Prep. Start by putting warm water on your face. This will allow your skin and your facial hairs to soften up for the razor to glide more easily. Put a small amount of shaving gel in your hands. Then apply evenly on areas you want to shave on your face, creating a thick layer which helps your shave be more comfortable. Step 2. Shave. Start shaving with light and gentle strokes. Shaving in the same direction that grows on your face will prevent risk of irritation and ingrown hair. Remember to take your time on the sensitive areas, such as the neck, chin, and jawline. And also be sure to rinse your blades as you go, but don't tap the razor against the sink, as it could knock your blades out of place. Step 3. Aftercare. To prevent irritation or dryness, apply an aftershave lotion or moisturizer that's suitable for your skin type to keep it feeling smooth. And that's it for my shaving tips. Remember that practice makes perfect. Shaving can take some time to master, so be patient and take it slow. I trust Gillette's razors for a close and smooth shave. After all, Gillette is the best a man can get.